children, good morning. Today is our maths class. Today we will learn a new topic. It is totally a new topic for you. As you know children, you have already learned how to write A to Z in your English subject. Okay? So it is now very easy for you to learn writing words. This is number 1. This is called figure or this is called word. So number name, or we can say it's number name. Children, how to spell number 1? Say with me. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Okay, this is called words and this is called figure or number. Or you can say number name. This is called number name. This is figure or this is number. This is figure or this is words. This is number 1 and we spell it O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Children, say with me. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. This is your copy work. You should write in your maths copy. So children, take out your maths copy. Okay children, one thing remember you. While you are writing, you always say and write. You always say and write. Don't write only. Okay? You are saying and write. Say like this O-N-E-1, O-N-E-1. Whenever you write, you say. Okay? You say and write. So children, take out your copy. Children, look, this is your maths copy. I already prepared your maths copy. So children, please look and follow me. How to write. Okay, this is number 1, O-N-E-1 and O-N-E-1. You have to write here 1 first, then spell O-N-E-1. Again write. We have to write twice. Okay, O-N-E-1. Say and write. Children, say and write. Again write number 1. Then O-N-E-1. Again O-N-E-1. Once more. 1. Then write O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Okay. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Again, write 1, then O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Okay, children? In this way you have to write. Say and write. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. I know this is your maths copy, but you have to face little bit difficulty to write English. But you have to write, children. Parents, please make a mark under this so they can feel easy to write. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Okay children, today you have write number 1 or spelling of number 1. So I hope you have learned this word 1. Look. Okay, this is your classwork. And next page you have to do one homework for this topic. Like write down homework and write in words. Like 1, O-N-E-1, O-N-E-1. Okay, children, you should do homework. Children, parents, please follow me and prepare your words copy. Set it. Please set the copy in this following way. Please set your words copy in the following way. Okay, One page is for classwork and another is for homework. You should learn. Okay, children? This is classwork. So children, no more for today. I hope you have learned this word. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children. Have a nice day.